Okay, there seems to be an objective, I guess. I'll try getting an axe first. Now I should get the pick version of the axe. Yes, now I should get a hard rocky foundation. Hey buddy, wait. I have a family. Please spare me. Finally a platform. Now I can build my house. Okay. Last bonus objective. I will get a chest to store my items in.
Let's team.
Well guys, that's the end of part 1. House building. Please watch the second episode if you have time. I always work hard on them. And also, check out Miraka. He has epic vids that are almost Bua level.